Now, before Santa Claus receives the gift, he's telling me he's so excited. But he cannot speak Kasi. He doesn't know English. He doesn't know Hindi. So he will speak his own language. All of you, that's the first thing. Then he said, I know that you are all very happy people because you are smiling. Then third thing, he said, I think you had a good lunch. So you are all very smart boys and girls. Then he says, I will tell you what happened to me, why I was a little late. So he said he started his journey from Russia and he had to come through Ukraine and war was going on, so they blocked the gate. He said actually he had brought a lot of gifts for you, but he had to pass through Ukraine. He had to throw away all the gifts. He had so many gifts, so he had to leave the gifts and come here. He says one missile which was sent from Russia, it went through his pocket, he says. So he lost some chocolates. He says he likes children, so wherever he sees children, he will always carry chocolate. So I will now ask him to speak something about his family. You want to know anything about his family? Okay. He says he has got his wife and children. And I asked him, you know what I asked him? I asked him, how many children you have? Then he says, I forgot to bring the calculator to count. He has so many children, he said. So what message you like to give? He says, always remain happy so that you will not grow old like him. Yeah. I asked him how old is he, his age. He says he is not sure about the age because those who recorded his age are no more. So he doesn't know, he's not sure of age. He says, of course, more than 100. Yeah. So he says, if you are happy, you will always remain young. So I asked him if he can speak 2-3 words in Kasi. I gave him some training to speak Kasi. It was very difficult to teach him Kasi, but he will try to speak Shikintin or Kintin in Kasi.
Mangi mandi mangi ni ngakubek kitmat ya fi balok. At Christmas batuk ya chat kemen pi barok ya chat kemen. Ya ko amali jong pi barok si bun.
Okay. Very good. He learned Kasi quite well. It's okay. So I will give him the gift first. After that, you can come forward and receive the gifts.
Thank you.